Hello, welcome our the best 5 tons channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the drain cleaners which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. BioClean Drain Septic Bacteria. It's not the cheapest shower drain cleaner on the market, but hundreds of reviews say this drain cleaner from BioClean is worth it. Made from enzymes and natural bacteria, this formula attacks hair, soap scum, and other waste that's clogging your pipes. To use, you mix 1 tablespoon of the powder with a pint of water, pour it down the drain and let it sit for 6-8 hours, preferably overnight when the shower won't be in use. It's recommended that you do this for 5 days in a row, and then once your pipes are clear, that you use it monthly to help prevent future clogging. Customers rave about the results they get with BioClean. They say it's a great long-term solution, and that regular use is key. They also love the fact that it's natural and doesn't contain chemicals that will harm their pipes or the environment. Number 2. SunLab Safer Drain Opener. There are plenty of chemicals you can pour down your drains that may cure the clog, but those chemicals may also harm our nation's waterways and damage your pipes. This drain cleaner from SunLab, however, is biodegradable, but still boasts all the power to unclog your pipes. It's touted as the perfect balance between effective, toxic chemical cleaners and enzyme cleaners that are painfully slow to work. To use, you pour 16 ounces of the liquid down the drain, let it work for about half an hour, then rinse with warm water. What's more, the cleaner is odorless and it doesn't leave behind harsh chemical fumes like some other cleaners. Number 3. Professor Amos Superfast Drain Cleaner. When your drain is seriously clogged, and you find yourself standing in ankle-high water, you need something tough, like this cleaner from Professor Amos. Hair, soap, and oil are no match for this fast-acting formula that attacks them and gets your water flowing again. It's safe for all types of pipes and will take on grease in your kitchen sink as well. To use, you just pour the liquid into your drain and then watch it go to work. Online videos show impressive results with it dissolving hair and other waste on contact. Customers give it high marks and say it has saved them from what were sure to be expensive plumbing bills. Number 4. Dissolve Liquid Hair and Grease Clog Remover Drain Cleaner. The Green Gobbler Drain Cleaner features a dual-chambered bottle that allow pouring one at a time so no measuring is required. Use 1 chamber for smaller jobs such as sinks and tubs. Use 2 chambers for toilets. Liquefies any drain obstructions caused by fats, oils, lint, and hair. Features rapid hair dissolve technology. Works on contact. The high-density formula is heavier than water, sinks and clings to the blockage to work fast. Safe and biodegradable. While Green Gobbler does work on hair and soap buildup, it works best on grease and oil, liquefying them so they can be flushed away with boiling water. The proprietary enzyme-based ingredients are also safer to use than drain openers containing caustic sodium hydroxide and emit no strong chemical odors. Number 5. Drano Max Gel Drain Cleaner. The Drano Max Gel Drain Cleaner features a thick bleach formula that cuts right through standing water. Formula clings to even the toughest clogs for quick removal. Fast-acting, works in just 15 minutes. Contains an ingredient to protect pipes from corrosion. Pours through standing water straight to the clog. Can leave in drains overnight. Removes soap scum, hair, and other gunky clogs. There's no guessing about how much to pour down the drain. The 2-chambered bottle holds 2 precise doses. Just pour in one of the pre-measured amounts and wait at least 30 minutes or up to overnight. Then flush away the clog with hot water. Pros and cons. Safe to use. Impressive power. Good for hair and grease. Cons. Not suitable for complete obstructions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.